What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we will be doing a speed run on the Traxxas / two-wheel drive VXL. Today we're going to be using the GoPro Hero 7 Silver to tell us how fast the car is going, because I don't have a speed gun or anything like that. So we're just going to be using the GoPro and we're just going to run it up and down the street and see how fast we can get this thing to go. Before we do anything, if you watched the last video, we did a servo install because the other one was toast, and so far the servo has been working great and it's super responsive, and just haven't had any problems. And also I took off all the stickers on the car just to make it look a little better. I think it looks a little better. And what I did on the front of it here is the grill and the light was all one sticker piece, and I just cut it out right here and it looks way more clean. And then I took off the number panels and everything like that. And we are going to be running the car on a 2S. I honestly thought the car would go way faster than 35 miles an hour on a 2S, but I have no idea how fast it would go on a 3S, because my 3S will only charge for like 3 seconds on the charger. For some reason it says it's full. The charger is completely fine because I charge my 2S on it all the time, and I used to charge my 3S on it, but the 3S battery just will not charge, so I have no idea how fast this car will go. But the box says 60 miles an hour on a 3S, but I don't know, but it goes 35 miles an hour on a 2S. I know that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you in Slash content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.